Welcome back, you guys. Max here with Built Red Industries. A few weeks back, a good friend of ours, Kirstin with COBB Tuning and SDHQ Racing, gave us a tour of the SDHQ Bronco Raptor that they used for the Rebelle rally. They have this thing thoroughly outfitted with built-right gear from the dash mount to the cargo area to the seat backs. And today, she's going to give you a tour through the seat back MOLLE panel kits. Let's get into it.
What's going on, friends? I'm Kirstin Backus with COBB Tuning, and today I'm going to show you around a little bit of the SDHQ Racing Rebelle Rally Bronco Raptor that I was fortunate enough to be the navigator in for a couple of years here. And we really made good use of all of the built-right panels that we could get our hands on when we were getting this truck set up for the rally. One of the unique things is that you're very much self-supported, and there's a whole lot of stuff to shove in this little bitty truck to make it all come together. So the first thing we've got here is some recovery gear in the Bad Decisions panel mounted on the seat back here. We've got tire tools, inflators and plugs, and a knife because there's always a reason to have one of those going on. We were graced with these custom hydration mounts that allowed for us to carry 50-ounce Yeti bottles that we could connect a Camelback to. One of the fun things about that rally is time is always too short, and the idea of stopping to get another water bottle or even drinking water when you're pummeling down the road is a lot to take in. So the ability to have that right at hand was awesome, and just a super sweet little perk. You can see that they even gave us engraved plaques that said our name and cup holder in case we forgot how to function by the end of the week. We've also got the first aid kit there and some snacks. One of the things that can keep a Rebelle team functional is not getting hungry and angry at each other. So plenty of ways to stay hydrated, have snacks, not die on the trail. Always the pertinent things. And these pouches now have been in this truck and functioning and getting abused for over 4 years, and they are in impeccable shape. They function beautifully. We've strapped them on the roof in moments of necessity, and they stay watertight, and they're perfect. We've had really good luck with them.
All right, you guys, and as you can see, they also have that thing outfitted with our cargo MOLLE panels. There's a dash mount currently installed with some Mountec arms to keep their phones secured. These ladies keep their truck tidy, locked down, ready for anything. Thanks for watching.